line, right? It's a green light.
Discussing the role of cannabis. Yes, cannabis, that which you smoke. Santana now has his own line. It's called Mareo, or My Ray, or My Lightning. So
what are you
learn
doing?
more about it, read more about it, and if it's something that you choose to imbibe in, perhaps try it. Here's Santana.
Wow. Come on.
National Slavic Museum.
You don't have to put up with all this for so long. What are you doing?
I don't know what. If you want to turn left, put on your left flank. Not just
Yeah.
hazards.
We'll preface this with I am not trying to steer you away from this channel, but
Yeah,
there's
enjoy
something
that
really
ticket,
cool happening
retard.
in my two countries.
Move.
In 1,000 feet, exit left.
It's very red. Even more red.
Still quite red. Has not changed from being red.
And now this guy was in the right lane, could have made a right turn, instead ran a red light by 5 seconds, U-turned to make a left turn. Indicate.
Thrasher for All Together Now 2020.
Thursday, 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific.
Oh, come on, no. Come on. I'm an idiot. First time here. I guarantee you cannot drive through there.
And it'll be interesting to see where those songs land, either on a project of their own or maybe even an artist.
Oh my gosh.
Commercial trailings, there's no wait. It's the big 80s on 8.
Oh my god, is everybody here retarded? Red light, don't do it. Alright. Not even close. So the lane's over, you just gonna keep going around people? Look at this fucking retard, man. You gonna do it or not? Come on, slide in, bitch. Man, that wasn't even close. Ballsy. That was clearly a red light. Right? We don't need to. Oh, guess you don't want to go this way. Straight to the left lane. Whoa, what are you doing? There's nobody even in front of you. You don't need to merge over there. Stop hesitating and go. That's really annoying. Are you drunk? Gonna go or not? No, absolutely not.
Approaching radio right now. It's from Berlin. Berlin, Deutschland. It's from November 3rd, 19.
Song from days gone, we'll still ride this so strong.
Now home to the best collection of podcasts in one place. Free for most subscribers. Download it today and tap podcasts.
Just sitting there and waiting and then goes when it's red. No way.
Come on, you just got a little.
What an idiot. Why are you continuously slowing down? Yeah, nice. Left turn from the number 3 lane.
Police reported ahead.
Yes. It's a huge crash.